Pills and capsules are the superheroes of the medical world, delivering life-saving medications and improving the quality of life for millions of people around the globe. These small yet powerful forms of medication are essential in treating a wide range of conditions and diseases. These tiny packages contain a precise dose of medicine, making it easier for patients to take their treatments accurately and consistently. But have you ever wondered how these tiny powerhouses are made? The process is more intricate than you might think. The journey from laboratory to medicine cabinet is a fascinating one, involving a complex series of steps to ensure both safety and effectiveness. Each stage is meticulously planned and executed. From the initial mixing of ingredients, where raw materials are combined in precise proportions, to the final quality control checks, every stage is crucial. These checks ensure that each pill meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Understanding the manufacturing process allows us to appreciate the science and precision behind each dose of medicine we take. It highlights the dedication and expertise of the professionals involved. In this essay, we'll delve into the fascinating world of pharmaceutical manufacturing to uncover the secrets of how pills and capsules are made and the incredible journey they undertake before reaching us. Before we dive into the manufacturing process, let's take a closer look at the ingredients that make up a pill or capsule. Understanding these components is essential for appreciating the complexity and precision involved in pharmaceutical production. The most important component, of course, is the active pharmaceutical ingredient, or API, which is the actual medicine that treats the illness. This is the core element that provides the therapeutic effect. In addition to the API, several other ingredients play vital roles. These are known as excipients, and they are not just fillers. They have specific functions that are crucial for the medication's performance. These inactive ingredients, also known as excipients, serve various functions. For instance, binders hold the ingredients together to form a tablet, ensuring that the pill maintains its shape and integrity. Fillers add bulk to the tablet, making it a practical size for swallowing. Without fillers, the tablet might be too small to handle or too large to swallow comfortably. Disintegrants help the tablet break down in the stomach or intestine for proper absorption. This ensures that the medicine is released at the right time and place in the digestive system. Lubricants ensure the smooth movement of powder during tablet production. They prevent the ingredients from sticking to the equipment, which is essential for efficient manufacturing. Each ingredient is carefully selected based on its properties and its interaction with the API. This selection process is meticulous and involves extensive research and testing. The precise formulation of these ingredients is crucial for ensuring the stability, effectiveness, and shelf life of the final product. Quality control tests are conducted to make sure that every pill meets the required standards before it reaches the consumer. Once the ingredients are gathered, the manufacturing process begins with mixing. This is a crucial step in ensuring the quality and efficacy of the final product. This isn't as simple as stirring everything together in a giant bowl. It requires precision and control to achieve the desired consistency. Pharmaceutical mixing requires specialized equipment to ensure a uniform distribution of the API and excipients. These machines are designed to handle the delicate nature of pharmaceutical ingredients. After mixing, the blend undergoes a process called granulation. This step is essential for improving the physical properties of the powder. This involves adding a binding solution to the powder mixture, creating granules that resemble coarse sand. The binding solution helps to hold the particles together. Granulation improves the flow properties of the powder, making it easier to compress into tablets or fill into capsules. This ensures that each dose is consistent and effective. There are two main types of granulation: wet granulation and dry granulation. Each method has its own advantages and is chosen based on specific requirements. Wet granulation, as the name suggests, uses a liquid binder. This method is often used when the ingredients are sensitive to heat, while dry granulation uses mechanical force to create granules. This method is preferred when the ingredients are moisture sensitive. The choice of granulation method depends on the properties of the ingredients and the desired characteristics of the final product. This decision is critical to ensure the quality and stability of the medication. With the granules ready, the next step is to shape them into tablets. This is where tablet compression comes in. Tablet compression machines, also known as tablet presses, use immense pressure to compact the granules into the familiar disc-shaped pills. The tablet press consists of a die, which determines the size and shape of the tablet, and two punches, which exert pressure on the powder. The lower punch fills the die with the correct amount of granules. The upper punch descends to compress the powder. And finally, the lower punch pushes the formed tablet out of the die. Tablet compression is a critical step in ensuring the tablets have the correct weight, hardness, and disintegration properties. These parameters are carefully controlled to guarantee consistent drug release and patient experience.